cold.
It is a little too cold, actually.
Don't need that right now.
So, a little convertible. Fixing to go on down the road after we did tubular control arms. It was gay as shit. It was all painted red underneath the car. We took all the suspension shit, painted it, cleaned the motor up, put air on it, put Sniper 2. Oh. Put a Sniper 2 on it. Fucking car ran so much better it knocked the fucking tranny out. So, RC Boggs just built the tranny. We're gonna go drive it and see how it shifts. And then we're gonna detail this thing up and send it down the road. Guarantee you it never did that before. This thing was a fucking turd. Still got a broke muffler, but I told him I ain't fixing that shit. Fucking runs good. Nothing like it ran before.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. Cold air.
Drive it anywhere.
Cold air, drive anywhere. Oh. Probably need to mount this. See all our 189 degrees. 12.5 air fuel. That's a she needs to do a little bit more learning. But you know what always the big question is? Brantley's favorite question.
We'll do a burnout.
Well, we're fixing to find out. We're fixing to find out if it'll do a burnout. Yeah, the race front end back up in hint, so I didn't hear no tire rub. Whoop. Shifter's kind of janky. Fix and find out. Fix and fuck around and find out. Pontiac. That's like the shift all. It already shifted into high gear. Or run nothing like it did. You didn't ride in it before, did you? Oh, it was a fucking turd. Oh, it literally wouldn't even turn the fucking tire.
Oh, wow.
Power braking it wouldn't turn the tire. Got a rattle in his dash, but that's not my hubcaps.
Well, one moment.
Train shift's good. Alright. This thing's going down the road now.
It cruises nice.
Huh?
Cruises nice.
Oh yeah. You got a squeak in that fucking dash. Wow.
Oh, it sounds like it's in the top.
Oh yeah, it may be. Good manual shift burnout. As a performance shop, this is what we do.
That's right.
Yeah, fucking muffler.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you hadn't pissed me off, I'd have fixed it.